Frontline Production.
Auntie made a boo-boo. What should I do? Should I use this one or this one? Which one should I use to clean it up?
The tissue.
I love my nephews, but this is just the one thing that I do not do. If my mom was here, she'd be like, what is up, guys? What up, what up, what up? So, we are doing the 24-hour parents challenge. Being parents for 24 hours. So we're turning on Oddbots. We've babysat before, but only for a couple of hours. We've never had a sleepover with a baby. Eben is sleeping over tonight. I don't know if he's actually sleeping over tonight, but he's definitely sleeping over tomorrow night. And I am not looking forward to the tears, the waterworks, you know, like when babies cry and stuff, like, oh, mommy, like, I can't handle that stuff. I'm just like, really? I feel like I take it personal or something. Eben, what happened to your nuggets?
I eat them.
How do you know?
I eat them.
No, he said that they fell in the car. Did they fall in the car?
No.
Where are they?
They're in the box.
They're in the box? You want to get on the bed?
Yes, they're big.
Me?
Yeah.
What do you mean? King Kong. Guys, we were just sitting here and then we heard a big monster roar. What was it, Eben?
A big monster.
Where did it come from, Eben?
From the body.
From where?
From your body.
From my body. We're 2 hours in on this journey. I'm about to give Eben a bath. We got Ossie just sitting here. The only thing that he's been useful for is eating his nuggets. He's eating his nuggets. Okay. So, oh, that's plenty. I'm gonna put some Dettol in there. My mum always uses Dettol on the kids. And I've got QV wash as well, which I'll go and get from my bathroom. Eben, we're going for a bath now. We're going for a bath. And when we come back, then you can watch your Oddbots again. Hey! You're making a big mess.
I don't want to shower.
Look, you're messing up my bed. Olha, foi fango. Ele é minha foi ngofie.
I like to have a bath.
Show them your car.
Baby Charlie.
Tell them, what's that one?
It's blue. This. And this. Got 2 colors. This is 59. Got cheese. It changed blue. Oh my goodness. It changed purple. And it changed.
Let's talk to them.
brown.
So say hi, guys.
Hi guys. I'm Eben Hazer.
Eben Hazer. And what's your mummy's name?
I'm Sia.
And what's your daddy's name?
I'm Prophet.
And how old are you?
3.
3?
Yes.
Yes, good boy. Now close your mouth like this. Show them what you're doing.
That one don't you sky blue. Whoa, shade. What a change. That one. It's kind of wet. I'm a boy.
You a boy, so I'm telling you, you a boy.
No, not a boy, boy.
Are you warm now?
Yes,
Solo mango follow
I want.
You saw your, you get your offie. Here, pachamba see.
What are they called, Os?
Pachamba.
Huh?
Pachamba.
Pachamba.
Pachambas. Put your pachambas on.
Look at you, you're all nice and clean. Are you all nice and clean now?
Ow, ow, ow. Go. Hey. Oh, Pasha.
Are you a baby? Are you a baby?
A big one.
Can you not jump on my bed, big boy?
But I'm dancing.
Are you dancing? What beautiful dancing. Show me that dance one more time, boy. Dance. What are you doing with your tongue? Dance. Auntie Molly's coming to pick you up. Yeah, are you going to sleep over my house tomorrow? And we can continue our challenge, okay?
What challenge?
Our 24-hour parent challenge. You're my son. Am I your mummy? What?
Mommy.
What? What is that? I'm your mummy, Eben.
No, you're not.
Who am I?
You're Ricky.
Are we best friends? Are we best friends? So Molly came to pick up Eben and he doesn't want to go.
Come to my house. Did you come to my house?
Why am I coming to your house?
Come to my house.
No, we're going to get your clothes so you can stay at my house.
Okay.
Kiss Aussie, say we're coming back.
I'm coming back.
No, you're not. Bye bye.
He's wiping it off.
You wiping your ass.
Seriously, okay, we failed as a parent. We're failing as parents. Come and put your boots on quickly, quickly. Molly's in the car, she's waiting.
She's waiting. She's waiting for you.
Oh, careful, careful.
Evan, your daddy say he wants you home.
Why were Ricky?
Your daddy said you can come here on Sunday.
Why were Ricky?
He said, Daddy said you can come with Auntie Vicky on Sunday.
Why were Ricky?
You can see Auntie Vicky tomorrow.
Yeah, you can come to me on tomorrow.
He can't come to my house.
Look who came over to my house this morning. Did you already brush your teeth? I mean, I could just make this day the 24-hour. It feels like it was 24 hours. I'm so tired. Look, can I put some of this in your hair? It's very nice. Stop, stop, stop. Let me put it in my hands first. Hold on. Hello, I'm talking to you. Do you want me to wake you, wee pigs?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please, Auntie.
Yes, please, Auntie.
Okay.
Please, Auntie.
Where is your mummy?
My mom is out to Zambia.
Yeah, mummy's gone to Zambia. Do you miss mummy?
Yes.
Hey, stop coughing.
I do have to open it.
Auntie made a boo-boo.
What boo-boo?
Look. What should I do? Should I use this one to clean it up or this one? Which one should I use to clean it up?
The tissue.
Thank you. You're so clever.
I got blueberry too.
I got blueberries in my one too. We didn't have a cleaner come this week, so our house is like kind of messy. You're making a big mess, aren't you? Look, you got a beard, a white beard.
I need a tissue.
Okay. Should you use the bread or the tissue? Which one?
The tissue.
Okay, good boy. Guys, so today I've got my cousin's wedding, and I think I might pick him up and he's gonna sleep with me tonight.
Blueberries are yummy. Who's oh, she's a dad.
That's mine.
Hey.
You can have them.
Oh, what's this?
That's you. That's a little baby Eben.
It's not a little baby, Emma.
You can have them.
Whoa, whoa.
Do you want to keep them?
Yes.
Okay. Look, the house is nice and vacuumed.
Yeah.
Now I gotta clean. Guys, it's so hard. I'm trying to get myself ready. I'm just kind of not used to having a child in the house. Like, I keep walking around doing my thing. Then I can hear like things falling and I'm like, oh crap. As you can see, I've already parted it. I was just about to straighten my hair. And then he comes running and he's like, I want it on the big TV. So I moved the Chromecast to this big TV. And then I'm about to go and straighten my hair and he tells me he's just done a boo-boo. Oh yeah, I got a nappy. I love my nephews, but this is just the one thing that I do not do, is change their nappy. If my mom was here, she'd be like, this is tough. This is some tough ass stuff. Morning, guys. We forgot to vlog last night when we got home. And Eben boy slept over. So we've had him more than 24 hours, more than the challenge hours, but whatever. Our house is so messy. Honestly, we've just been like so busy this weekend. But I've got to get Eben boy ready. Let's go brush your teeth. Oh yeah, that's cute. And this.
Oh God.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you still looking for food? This guy wakes up to food. I told him, let's go get ready, and he says, no, I want to eat.
I like to sleep on your house.
Aww, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. He's so cute. This guy loves nuggets. He's so cute. He was coughing last night, so I put Vicks on his feet. My mum always used to do that for me when I was younger. And he just stopped coughing. It's a cold hack, guys. If your kids start coughing, rub Vicks on their feet, put socks on, bam! Then we have to change your nappy and get into church clothes, okay?
Okay. Okay,
Okay, do you want me to do it or do you want to do it?
I want to do it.
Okay.
What you do?
Go, I want to watch you. What in my mouth? Here, auntie, help. Go like this. Don't swallow it. Yeah. Open your mouth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Close it. Don't drink it. You have to go like this. Put it in your mouth and then go. And then spit it out, okay? Hi. Hi. And spit it out. Okay, open your mouth, do your tongue. Yeah. Okay. More water. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow, Baba. This guy is so funny.
My face.
Well done, you did so well.
Ricky, are you all?
Okay, come on, we gotta put your clothes on.
Oh no.
This challenge is really a single parent challenge. I am a single mother for more than 24 hours. Because these men, or this man, ain't helping. Why don't you like that one? It's nice. Look, it's got lightning bolts. Look, you look so cool.
No.
Excuse me. Fine. What's wrong with that one? Why don't you like this one? Why don't you like this one? Put these pants on. Why not? Eben, we have to get ready for church. It was such a struggle to get Siaosi to come and help me just to make toast.
Yes.
Honestly, guys, this is a single mum challenge.
When they kick her
guys.
Why are you wearing those pants?
Because
'Cause why?
I want to wear them to church.
Why?
I want to wear them to church.
Because why?
Yeah. It's like this one.
You so silly in the head, Aussie.
You can wear your blanket like this and go to church.
Just finished church, guys. Enjoying a nice ice cream before lunch. Evan's got a ice cream moustache. Got Nucky boy.
And that's what?
Serving the drip, drip, drip.
And
Actually what, bub? Oh, I'm so tired. Show everyone what Uncle Aussie bought. Come, come, come.
Hi guys. Look at us. He got me a shirt.
Show them the front.
A front is called Meta, Storm, Granera, Wonder Queen, and Max.
Oh, wow.
Look at Jenny.
Open your car.
I just said it.
Open the trunk.
The back. In the back.
Hey, Aussie.
What up, what up?
Take off your jacket, Daddy.
Take off my jacket, mommy.
What the heck?
We just finished the lunch, guys. So, yeah. It's your boy Chochi back in our video. Boop, boop, bap. Boop, boop, bap.
I take it.
He's been playing with his cars for like 2 hours.